In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear storage space in your Android device to make your phone work faster and get more internal storage. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 16 device, but if you have a newer version of Android or an older version of Android, this should work for you also. So the first thing is get hold of your phone and then you get to settings directly. Once you get to settings, you do a search for storage. You get a lot of suggestions out here. Click on the first one, Storage Manager. Out here, you are going to see your storage and everything. I'm using a Nothing phone. This is on Android 16 at the moment. If you are using maybe a Samsung device or maybe a Motorola device or whatever brand phone you're using, the options are more or less the same. So you could directly search for storage or smart cleanup or whatever it is in the settings directly. So once you're here on this screen, I want you to go ahead and click on free up space and you get directed to this page to clean junk files and delete duplicates and stuffs like that. So the first thing is clean junk files. Click on clean. The next thing is delete duplicates. So if you want to go ahead and select duplicate files, you could click on select files and then see whatever files are duplicates. For instance, this one, for instance, maybe say this one, and then you go ahead and click on this option, move files to bin. If you want, you could view and clear your bin right now. Click on view and then checkbox everything and then click on delete, which is going to give you a pop-up like this. Click on delete again and everything in your bin is going to get deleted permanently. You get back to this page. If you want to delete memes, maybe you select files out here and whatever memes you would want to delete, you just select that and you go ahead and delete. So move to bin, click on view again, you get to the bin, click on all items and then click on delete. Click on delete again. Then if you want to clear maybe say screenshots, you get this option out here. Click on this option and you check for screenshots that you would want to delete. This one. Click on delete or move files to bin, get to bin, select everything, click on delete again. I'm sure you get it, right? So the main thing is if you get to this folder to clean, you are going to be able to claim more space on your phone and free up more memory. This is not just going to give you more memory, but it is also going to make your phone work faster. Now, apart from this, what you could also do is get to settings again, click on apps and then click on see all apps and then maybe get to the app and get to storage and cache. Click on clear cache for all the applications. So you could do it one by one or you could download an application from Google Play to clear all cache for your applications. But I wouldn't suggest you actually do that because if you do that, you may just go ahead and delete important data for specific applications. So I would urge you to do this one by one, even if you have like 150 applications installed on your phone or 200 applications. Do it slowly. Take care, my friend.